This dance move is the tone wop. It looks like this. Okay, let me break this one down. And before I do so, I want to caution you that this one is probably the most difficult dance move in this entire program. So take some time when you're trying to learn this. And also, you might want to take your shoes off because it's easier to learn without shoes for this dance move. Okay, so let's work on the upper body motion first. The counts go like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and on its own, it looks a little odd, but don't worry, it's going to make sense in just a moment here. So from the front, we go hunch in and then back, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So you're not exaggerating too much. Just bring your body forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. So the second thing we're going to add in here is the leg. So we're going to go up and down and 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 up and down and. Okay, so you're just switching from one leg to the other. Bring your knees up. From the side, we go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Alright, make sense so far? Alright. So the next thing let's work on here is the arms. So the arms go like this. Cross and up, down. Cross and up, down. Cross and up, down. Cross and up, down. So I'm not going to do the upper body and the legs just yet. We're going to add that in later. Let's work on the arms. So we go cross, down, up, down. Cross, down, up, down. Cross and up, down. Cross and up, down. Counts go like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, so let's try putting that in with the rest of the movements. So the upper body and also the legs. So we're going to bring this leg up, crunch down, and cross all at the same time. And then we're going to bring it down. And then we're going to go boom, boom. Alright? So cross, down, boom, boom. From here, the other one's going to go up. Cross, down, boom, boom. From the side, cross and boom, boom. Cross and boom, boom. Cross and boom, boom. Cross and boom, boom. 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2 and. Alright, so now this is the last step. This is the footwork motion. So it goes like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So all you're doing is you are putting your weight onto your toes and your heels are going out on the 2 and. Alright, so it goes 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Alright, so let's put that in with everything else. So we're going to go cross, leg comes up, body comes down, boom, and then from here, as we reach up, our heels are going to go out, in. Alright, let me show you one more time from the beginning. Cross, leg comes up, body comes down, down. When we reach up, heels are going to go out, boom, boom. And then from here, we restart on the other side. Knee comes up, cross, body comes down, boom, out, in. Alright, slowly, boom, boom, out, in, boom, boom, out, in, boom, boom, out, in, boom, boom, out, in. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Alright, you ready for music? Let's try it. Here we go. Let's play first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and boom, 1 and boom. Alright,